Hello, sir. I am the student from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering Technology. My roll number is 249518055Y4. Our subject an assignment report of elements of electrical and electronics engineering. Today our topic is graph therapy and electric networks. Introduction to graph therapy. Graph therapy is a branch of ma- mathematics that studies the properties of graphs, which are structures made up of varieties or nodes and edges or connections. It provides a framework for modeling relationships and interactions in various systems, including social networks, transportations, and communication networks. The fundamental concepts of graph therapy include paths, crystal cycles, connectivity, and various types of graphs like directed and undirected graphics. Basic of electric networks. Electric networks consists of interconnected electrical comptima- compti- computations such as resistors, capacities, and inductors that faculties the flow of electrical energy. These networks can be represented as graphs where various represent computations and edges represent electrical connections. Understanding the behavior of electric networks is crucial for designing efficient electrical systems and analyzing critical performance. Graph graph representations of electric network. Here the graph representations from one person to another person, one animal to another animal, one letter to other letter. It is the concept of electric network. Electric networks graph can be used to defines the topic topi technologies of the network, helping to vis- visually connections between computations. Each node, each node in the graph corresponded to an electrical competent while edges indicate the connections, allowing for each analysis of the network. Using graph representations simplifies complex calculations, reference to current, voltage, and represents in the network. Kirchhoff's law and graph therapy. Kirchhoff's law are essential principle in circuit analysis that can be effectively applied using graph therapy concepts. Kirchhoff's current law KCL states that the total current entering a junction must equal the total current leaving, which can be moderated using graph nodes. Kirchhoff's voltage law KVL states that the sum of the electrical potential differentials around a cloud's around a clouded circuit must equal zero, which can be visualized through graph circuits. Solving electric networks with graph therapy. Graph therapy provides various algorithms and technologies to solve complex electric circuits effectively. Technologies like the nodes analysis and mesh analysis leverage graph properties to find unknown currents and voltages in the network. The use of the use of matrix representations of graphs such as indicates matrix and adjustive matrix aids in systematic analysis and calculations. The role of trees in electric networks. In graph therapy, a tree is a type of graph that is connected and has no cycle, which is particularly useful in electric networks. Spanning trees are used to minimize the total length of connections while maintaining connectivity among components, reducing costs and losses. Got the concept of minimizing spanning a tree can optimize flow distribution and inherence effective in network design. Here we can see a tree type graph A, B, C, D, E, F, and it's like a three different types. Network flows and optimization. Graph therapy plays a significant role in network flow problems where the goal is to find the maximum flow from a sources to a sink in an electric network. The max flow main cut therapy provides a fundamental relationship between the maximum flow in the network and the minimum cut. The spiritance separates the sources from the skin sink. Algorithms such as the Ford Fulcrism method and Edmond's curve algorithms are commonly used for solving flow problems in electric networks. Network flows. In this diagram, we can see network flows. Like this, network will flow. Relatively and fault tolerance. Graph therapy can be applied to access the reliability and fault tolerance of electric networks by analyzing their connectivity and reducing redundant connectors such as cut sets and connectivity measuring help identify circuit competitions failures might lead to network disconnections. Improving network reliability involves designing redundant plans and backup system which can be effectively moderated using graph structures. Applications of graph therapy in power systems. Graph therapy is a utilized in a power system analyzing including load flow studies, fault analysis, and stability analysis. It helps in optimizing the layout and optimizing of the transformation networks to ensure effective power dispatch at the minimum losses. These integrations of renewable energy sources into extending power grids can be also analyzed using graph technology applications to enhance sustainability. Future trades and research distracts. The introductions of graph therapy and improved network connections to enable the advancement in smart grid technology and lot applications. Researchers are exploring new algorithms and complicated technologies to handle increasingly complex network structures and real-time data. Future research may force an inherence energy effectively optimizing network and integrations renewable energy sources using graph-based methods. So this is about